Good evening. My name is Shriya Karnik. I am from class 12th B, New Blossom Public School and Junior College, Nare. I am from Pune city, Maharashtra. Today, as a gesture of honor to all the doctors for National Doctors Day.
In the light of recent events, there are questions which are difficult to tackle all by ourselves, and the correct guidance by an expert in the field is very insightful. I'd like to introduce Dr. Shilpa Shah, ENT and head and neck surgeon and consultant at Jahangir and Surya Sahyadri Hospital, and she also has a private clinic of her own. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule and agreeing to this interview, ma'am.
Yeah.
Since we are
Yeah,
in this,
thanks.
yeah, since we are in this current crisis with the prediction of a third wave of COVID this year, I'd like to ask, you are one of a frontline worker. How are you handling COVID-19 or the next global pandemic in the future?
See, up till now, we doctors are already fought with COVID-1 and second wave. So I had a lot of experience with it. For the future third wave, I would just highlight shortly few points. Like for all our people, our countrymen, three points they should be remembering. First point is like very first, more than wealth, we should take care of our health. We should build our immunity. We should do regular exercise. That will definitely give less chances to have exposure. Second point, whatever WHO says, we should follow all the guidelines, just like social distancing, wearing mask, and of course vaccination.
Thank you, ma'am. Those were really great answers, very informative and scholastic.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you for joining me today and sharing such important things with us. Wish you best for the future and stay safe.
Thanks, Pratiksha. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
My name is Amrut Mahindra Gadge. I study in 12th standard in Blossom Public School, Pune, Maharashtra. Today I am going to take interview of Mr. Dr. Sandeep Athawale. So please give us your introduction.
Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Athawale, practicing in Satara since past 15 years as ENT specialist. I've done my graduation and post-graduation from Vijay Medical College, Pune, and thereafter I've shifted to Satara and working as a private practitioner.
My first question is, how do you react to highly stressful situation or deal effectively with personal stress in your job as a doctor?
The first dictum you have to follow is to stay calm. In Marathi it is said, you have to साखर तुमच्या जिभेवर पाहिजे आणि बर्फ तुमच्या डोक्यावर पाहिजे. If the Marathi is allowed. So that's how you stay calm. People come to you because of some difficulty that they face in their personal life, because of some physical ailments, and they tend to be arrogant at times. They tend to be tense at times. They have read something on WhatsApp and then just go by that, and then they are afraid as well. So first thing is to have a patience and a patient attitude towards them, have a humanitarian approach towards them, calmly and coolly try to listen to what they tell you. This itself reduces your own stress. So the answer to your question, how do I handle my stress, is first listening to the patient, giving them sufficient time that they need, not accepting too many patients at a time, so that indirectly you tend to get stressed. And I think that's all.
Okay. My second question is, why did you make medicine your chosen field of study and career path? What aspects of medicine drew you to the specific area you choose?
As a son of my father and mother, who are both doctors by profession, I have been seeing my father and mother doing a noble service to the society since I am born. That's probably the thing which drew me into this field, and thereafter I have seen the passion that one has to put in, the honesty that one has to nurture. All these qualities I have seen with my father and mother, and that's how I'm in this field. And I'm definitely proud to say, yes, I've inculcated many good values from them and trying to render the same kind of service to the society. There is nothing particular which got my attention to this field except for the noble nature of this profession, which in my opinion is still there. Though there are some here and there things you hear about this profession, I still feel that there are many noble things still existing in this profession, and if you are honest to what you are doing, you get it.
Thank you for giving us your precious time.
We just keep on working, and we never given thought to this kind of questions which you have just handed over me a few minutes ago. Thank you very much.
Hello and good afternoon. I am Harshdeep Pradeep from Standard 12. Today I am glad to have Dr. Manali Wagmare with us. She is a final year medical student and has been doing COVID duties for the past couple of months. So this means that those situations must be very stressful for you. How did you manage your stress with all these as your job as a doctor?
It was really stressful and mentally exhausting, you can say, to work in this COVID wards. It was really draining our mental and physical health. Though we used to do yoga and exercise in the early morning and also in the evening, just to stay peaceful and peaceful.
That's amazing. So what do you think, how has Corona affected the lives of the students?
Okay, so for that I'm gonna ask you, what is your daily routine?
So to begin with, I would like to tell you that all I do during the day is play online games, socializing with my friends, quite a bit study, and troubling my siblings.
Okay, so here you go. I'm just gonna pick this point. We just forgot to exercise, to do yoga, and that really affects our mental and physical health, you know. So it's good you are playing games, you are studying, you are socializing. It's a good thing. It's also good. It will be better if you do yoga and exercise and meditate in morning. It will be good. Okay, so don't worry, everything is gonna be alright. The school is gonna be open. For that, you should follow every rules and regulations, right? And take precautions so that all the school and all the things got reopened very soon, right?
Yeah, right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Welcome.